Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of tilapia and exploring their ecological significance. Join us as we uncover the remarkable roles these fish play in their aquatic habitat. Tilapia, a diverse group of freshwater fish, not only captivate our taste buds but also have a profound impact on their environment. Let's delve into their ecological significance. One of the key roles tilapia play is as regulators of the aquatic food chain. They control the population growth of zooplankton and phytoplankton, which are essential components of the freshwater ecosystem. By consuming these microscopic organisms, tilapia help maintain a balance in the ecosystem. Excessive growth of zooplankton and phytoplankton can lead to decreased oxygen levels and the depletion of vital nutrients. Thanks to tilapia, this imbalance is kept in check, creating a healthier habitat for other aquatic life.
Studies have shown that tilapia also have a remarkable ability to control the spread of diseases. They are voracious feeders, targeting mosquito larvae and pupae, thus interrupting the life cycles of disease-carrying insects. Diseases like malaria, yellow fever, and elephantiasis, which are transmitted by adult mosquitoes, can be mitigated by the presence of tilapia in freshwater habitats. By reducing the number of mosquitoes, tilapia indirectly contribute to human health and well-being.
But the ecological significance of tilapia doesn't stop there. These fish also serve as an important food source for larger species in the habitat. Both adult tilapia and their young ones become prey for larger fish, creating a dynamic food web within the aquatic ecosystem. Additionally, tilapia have a surprising role in the carbon cycle. Through gaseous exchange, they release carbon dioxide into the water, which is then utilized by aquatic plants for photosynthesis. This process not only helps the plants thrive, but also contributes to the overall oxygen production in the habitat, benefiting all the organisms that rely on it. So, you see, tilapia are not just remarkable fish for aquaculture and culinary purposes, but they play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their freshwater habitat. From regulating the food chain to controlling diseases and participating in the carbon cycle, these fish are true ecological heroes. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the ecological significance of tilapia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating insights into the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our planet.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.